a little cheap maintenance goes a long way. And not cheap as in progress, meaning affordable to do at least a little bit of maintenance to your car. At least do a little bit of maintenance. So this vehicle's here for an oil change. We went over it. The customer had some concerns. We really didn't find much other than some neglected maintenance, and we're hooking it up. Make sure that hood's closed. There's a guy who's doing videos, and I'm not going to mention his name, that he said the car's been in his shop for months because the hood switch was bad. That's why the car wouldn't start. I haven't seen a car that I could not start with the hood open. I just think he did it for video content. Probably. Like even brand new cars, you open the hood and you have to be able to start the car, right?
Yeah, but like the new Corvette won't let you put it in the gear unless your seatbelt's on.
Well, I get that.
So, but like
you'd still be able to start the car if the hood was open. Like we need to start gasoline-powered vehicles to diagnose them.
System. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that. I get it.
So another guy, angry Bob Mechanic, checked his box and said, "Yeah, right." He actually tested two vehicles and said, "It's impossible, dude."